Everyone has experienced a blocked wastewater pipe. There can be various reasons for this. One of them is a buildup of grease residue or a defective socket in the wastewater pipe. Today I would like to show you how easy it is to use the Wöhler RM 300 drain cleaning machine to clear a blockage quickly and easily. Here we see a blocked floor drain. The water backs up in the wastewater pipe and looks for the shortest route where it can escape. We don't know exactly where the blockage is in the wastewater pipe. To clear the blockage, we decided to use the Wöhler RM 300 drain cleaning machine. The machine can work with two different spirals, either with the 22mm spiral or with the 16mm spiral. In our case, we opted for the 16mm spiral as the floor drain has a diameter of 50 millimeters. The spiral can be decoupled using a coupling key, so I can determine the length of the spiral myself. It is very important that you use the protective hose. The protective hose serves as a vibration damper and protects the floor and surrounding objects from dirt and damage. Before we can start cleaning the pipe, we need to choose the right drill head that is suitable for the conditions on site. I opted for the bulb auger as it is very suitable for narrow pipe bends due to its high flexibility. Now we can start cleaning the pipe. Push the spiral into the wastewater pipe until we feel resistance. Now I can no longer move the spiral any further. Here is the rotary switch for determining the direction of rotation of the spiral, right or left. We start with clockwise rotation. To make the spiral rotate, you have to press the lever down. As I can no longer feel any resistance in the pipe, we pull the spiral out of the wastewater pipe again. To make sure that the blockage has been cleared, I fill the wastewater pipe with a hose. If this is not the case, the water will back up in the pipe again. We carry out a video inspection to make sure that the wastewater pipe has not been damaged during the cleaning process. As you can see, there is no damage to the wastewater pipe. This is how quickly and easily pipe cleaning can be carried out with the Wöhler RM 300 drain cleaning machine.